Kira, I'm looking at your college. This is me offering a little feedback on your week 5 task for ACA, and if you'll recall, that was the one where you showed me what classes you'd be taking for the rest of your stay here at Wayne Community College, and so I was looking at this, but you didn't tell me what your major would be, so I'm having trouble giving you proper advice. So I looked back at your week 4 task, and at the end of your week 4 task, let's just take a look at this. It's asking you some questions about your career that you hope to go into, and search for at least 3 potential 4-year institutions. So you've chosen Miami, UNC, and Virginia for that one. That was personal financial advisor, and then marketing manager was the other. And for those, you chose a couple of out-of-state options. So, so I'm assuming this is your, probably what you were going to do. But here you've chosen one, Fayetteville State, that wasn't on either of those, and the same goes for Winston-Salem State. So, like you see, none of it's connecting in a way that makes any sense to me. So I just don't really know how to advise you. So I hate not to give you good advice, but given what we have here, I just don't think I can. I want to look at your plan with you real quick, and hold on just a second. Let's back this up. Pull up your record. And I want to look at your progress. So you've completed 8 credit hours. Let's just see where you're at. You're taking 111 currently. Shoot. Dang it. All right, let's go back to that. And you are currently in one of your fine arts. You've got economics planned. That's good. You'll need to take one additional social science credit. Looks like you're going to take Math 143, or you're actually enrolled in it now. You need to take a science, and then there's a whole bunch of other hours in Gen Ed and electives that you'll take before you're done. So let's just see. Then you're getting the AA. So this is what you're in this semester. This is your plan. I don't know what 1, 2, 3 is. Maybe you're mistaken about that. Business 125. I don't know what sort of business courses we offer, but let's just take a look. Let's just search specifically for 125. I don't, based on what I'm looking at here, we do not offer a business 125. So you see what I'm saying? There's just problems with this, with your plan, that I just don't understand. I don't know what that is. Here it looks like maybe you've put Fayetteville State's prefix rather than ours, so I don't know what that is. Econ 211. Let's just take a look. Nope, we don't offer that, so it doesn't need to be on your plan. We do offer Com 231. I think we offer Business 115, Humanities 211. I don't think that's what we call it. Let's just see that. 110. We got other things, but not 211. So you see what I'm saying, Kiara? There's just a lot of problems with this thing, and I don't know how to advise you, but I can't give you complete credit for this. You're going to need to. It's not very useful to either of us right now. It's certainly not useful to you in planning out what you're going to take while you're here at Wayne. Some of these things I can see, like, we do offer accounting. We call economics something else. It's either, I think it's 251 and maybe 250 or 252. I can't remember. But and I saw that those were on your plan, so you're scratching the surface. But this isn't a plan that will be very useful to you. And this is the most important thing you'll do in this ACA class this semester. So you need to spend some more time with it. And if you have questions about, look, I want you to try it again, but in your revision, tell me which pathway plan you're using, which baccalaureate plan you're using as your guide. So I'm here at Fayetteville State, but I just don't know which one of these you're using. So tell me which one on this particular document that you're using as your guide to choose which courses you take when. I wouldn't advise, and I don't know if it's even possible to take that many hours in the summer. So plan on taking more hours in the fall and the spring than you would be taking in the summer. And just make sure you get all the correct prefixes in there in a revision. I'd like to see you revise this thing for full credit. And if you have specific questions for me, feel free to email me.